this is where I think it's important to think about taking all that data available at the meter level of energy use and analyzing it. But now you can't just analyze it on the cloud, because the cloud, there's a lot of lag between finding insights on the cloud, sharing it with the customer, and changing the customer behavior. At times, you also need to make that decision on the edge. So let me give you two examples. So let's say that you want to reduce the stress on the grid. What you can do is you can analyze the data on the cloud. You can find out who are the customers who are not efficient with regards to their energy use. You can reach out to them, and over time, maybe over a couple of months, you can nudge them in the right direction with regards to improving their energy efficiency. Now, the other extreme is the grid is being stressed out at, 12 p.m. or 6 p.m. in the evening. You can't do the analysis, get the insights, and share that a week, a day, or a month later. You have to share those insights then and there. You find out what's happening, and right then and there, trigger an alert to that customer, and perhaps change their behavior so that the demand supply imbalance or the grid goes down. And so those grid assets go much longer. They offer greater mileage in terms of being able to operate them for longer instead of upgrading them. What is interesting is that a lot of the cloud technologies that people are building are also being tweaked and call it small sized, so that they can fit on the edge, right? And we do that at Bijlee too ourselves. But what that means is essentially take these models, disaggregation models, insight models, fit them into, let's say, a smart meter. Some of the newer generation smart meters have enough compute power, enough memory, so that you can store these models at the local level, including a model of how and what energy use is at that particular home. And then now you're able to use that all together, making some decisions on the cloud, but making some decisions on the edge so that you can react more instantaneously.